Hello, I'm Robert Williams. I'm a director at Family Law Partners and a family law arbitrator. What I'd like to talk to you about is the what, when and how of referring a case for family law arbitration. So what areas are covered by family law arbitration? The main ones that you'll be dealing with will be the issues in relation to a divorce or the end of a civil partnership, claims under Schedule 1 of the Children Act, and cases under Talata. So let's assume that you've agreed that arbitration is necessary and that you need a fair and impartial decision made on that discrete issue. What do? Well, once you've agreed an arbitrator, an agreement is then signed. That's sent to an organisation called the Institute of Family Law Arbitrators, and they will formally nominate the arbitrator. The arbitrator will then confirm their agreement. There will be discussion in relation to fees, and then the case runs from there on in. So once you've agreed the arbitrator and the arbitrator has confirmed their agreement, it's about running the case from there on in a way that works for the clients and for you. I think the important considerations are to make sure that you really think about progressing the case in a constructive way, focusing on the issues and making sure that from your client's perspective, they're getting the main advantage of arbitration, which is speedy and focused. So we're at the end of the process. The arbitrator has heard the evidence or has looked at the papers. If that's how it's agreed, the case should be dealt with. The arbitrator will then write an award. Significantly, they will want paying before the award is shared, but once they are paid, the award is shared with the parties, and the parties will then convert that into an order which is submitted for approval. It's very rare that the award would not be then made into a court order. If there's an error of law or if there's an irregularity in the process, then those would potentially be bases for appeal, but the grounds for appeal are fairly limited. Going forward, I'm sure that arbitration as a process will be something that we will look to first and foremost in trying to resolve matters. We all know how under-resourced the court are, how slow it is and how expensive it is. What we need to do as a cohort is to start trusting in the arbitral process as a way of resolving matters in a quick and efficient way for our clients.